J-Date Ride Transform. Robot. What is J-Date Ride? A 4 meter and 13 feet tall humanoid robot developed by Brave Robotics, Azratech, and Sansei Technologies, capable of transforming into a vehicle and carrying 2 people. It unfolds from a bipedal, walking form into a drivable car in roughly 30 to 60 seconds, combining cutting-edge robotics, advanced control systems, and entertainment engineering. Transforming mechanism by Brave Robotics and V-Cyto control system by Azratech to manage transformation, walking, and driving. Kia Motors' ROBOKIA is a specially modified Kia Mohave, also known as the Borrego in some markets, that can transform into a humanoid robot. This transformation is achieved through hydraulic actuators and advanced robotics, allowing the SUV to stand upright and move like a robot for a brief period during live demonstrations. The transformation is accompanied by music, smoke effects, and lighting, creating a theatrical experience that captivated audiences. While ROBOKIA is not intended for commercial production, it serves as a testament to Kia's innovative spirit and commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive design. The project garnered significant attention and showcased Kia's willingness to experiment with futuristic concepts. Lamborghini Aventador LP 704 Transformers Dissertation Project. The goal of this dissertation project was to create an online promotional video for a luxury car rental company, featuring a Lamborghini Aventador LP 704 transforming into an Autobot. This ambitious video demonstrates that a single individual can execute a project of significant complexity, one that would typically require an entire production studio, including cinematography, 3D modeling, animation, and visual effects composition. My aspiration is to become a visual effects supervisor or director at a leading motion picture studio. To reach that goal, I've focused on building a strong foundation in camera operation, filming techniques, animation, and VFX compositing. Mastering every stage of the production pipeline not only supports this dream, but also opens doors across a wide range of industries, especially in film and entertainment. EO Smart Connecting Car by DFKI. Bremen on our list is the EO Smart Connecting Car, a futuristic concept aiming to redefine urban mobility. This semi-autonomous folding electric vehicle, known as the EO Smart Connecting Car 2, was developed at the DFKY Robotics Innovation Center in Bremen, Germany. Designed for 2 passengers, the EO can reach speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, turn on the spot, park itself, and even link up with other EO vehicles to form energy-efficient convoys for long-distance travel. A dedicated team of just 10 engineers spent over 3 years bringing the project to life. The folding car of the future. Owning a car comes with its fair share of costs, monthly payments, insurance, and the occasional headache of traffic jams. For many, these hassles make public transportation a more appealing option. Others might turn to services like Uber, Lyft, or traditional taxis to avoid the burdens of car ownership. But over time, those alternatives can actually become more expensive than maintaining a personal vehicle. Still, in many parts of the world, like the United States, owning a car isn't just convenient, it's essential. Depending on where you live and work, reliable personal transportation is often a must. But there's another problem: parking. In densely populated metropolitan areas, parking is not only hard to find, it can also be incredibly expensive. One innovative startup in Japan has taken this challenge head-on. Wild Fennec, Prototype Defender. In the world of camping, there's a special niche called overlanding, a lifestyle embraced by adventure seekers who love the outdoors as much as they love their vehicles. And for the true overlander, few vehicles are as impressive as the Wild Fennec Prototype Defender. This innovative vehicle transforms from a rugged off-roader into a fully functional mobile living space in just 43 seconds. By extending its rear section outward, and more importantly, upward, it morphs into what is essentially a tiny house on wheels. Built on a long wheelbase Land Rover Defender, the Wild Fennec reimagines the back of the vehicle to accommodate all the comforts of home. The roof is lined with solar panels to power its modern amenities, allowing you to venture deep into remote terrain without sacrificing convenience. Inside, you'll find a mini kitchenette, a full-size bed, a dining table, hot shower, toilet, TV, refrigerator, and ample storage space. Everything you need for life off the grid. The Wild Fennec isn't just a camper. It's a bold, self-sufficient adventure hub built for explorers who demand comfort in the wild. Double-back VW camper camping is always an adventure. But towing a trailer or navigating a bulky motorhome through tight city streets, not so much. Enter the double-back VW camper, a clever and compact solution that blends convenience with flexibility. Powered by a robust 2.0 TDI VW engine. What makes this camper truly unique is its ability to expand at the touch of a button. The rear section slides out to dramatically increase your living space, offering all the advantages of a much larger RV without the hassle of towing. Thanks to its construction using ultra-lightweight materials, the double-back manages to include an elevating roof, a fold-out double bed, a compact kitchenette, and other must-have features for life on the road, while adding only around 400 pounds to the van's total weight. If you're dreaming of owning one, be prepared to invest around $72,000. It's a steep price, but for those who crave smart design and freedom on four wheels, it might just be worth every penny.